Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed the uses of organic compounds. Today, we are starting the most important families of organic compounds, which is alkanes. My dear student, alkane is the simplest hydrocarbon and extremely important in fuel and industries. So let's start. Introduction to alkane. Alkanes are organic compounds that contain only carbon and hydrogen atoms. They have only single covalent bonds between carbon atoms. That is why alkanes are also called saturated hydrocarbon. Definition of alkanes. An alkane is a hydrocarbon in which all carbon bonds or single bonds, carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. General formula is followed. Now, general formula of alkenes. The general formula of alkenes is CnH2n plus 2, where n number of carbon atoms. Examples: alkane molecular formula: methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10. Homologous series of alkanes. Alkanes form a homologous series. It means each member differ by CH3 group. Chemical properties are similar. Physical properties change gradually. First 10 members of alkane series. Name formula: methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10, pentane C5H12, hexane C6H14, heptane C7H16, octane C8H18, nonane C9H20, decane C10H22. Structure of alkenes. In alkenes, each carbon forms four single covalent bonds. Bonds are strong sigma bonds. Structure is tetrahedral. Example: methane CH4 has a tetrahedral shape. Physical properties of alkane. First one, lower alkane are gases, middle alkanes are liquids, higher alkanes are solids. Second one, solubility. Alkanes are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. Third one, density, less dense than water. Fourth one, boiling points increases with increase in molecular mass. Now, chemical properties of alkanes. First one, combustion reaction. Alkanes burn in oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and heat. Example: CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. Second one, substitution reaction. Alkanes react with halogens in presence of sunlight. Examples: CH4 plus Cl2 gives C3Cl plus HCl. Sunlight. Third one, cracking. Large alkanes break into smaller molecules by heat. Example: C10H22 you have C5H12 plus C5H10. Now, uses of alkanes. Methane is a fuel in CNG. Propane and butane used as LPG. Petrol used as fuel for vehicles. Paraffin wax used in candles. Lubricant oils. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on uses of alkane. I hope this lecture is all about alkanes. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.